Why are Americans moving abroad? More Americans moved out of the country last year than ever before. So what countries are they moving to? Historically, Mexico and Canada were by far the top 2 destinations. But in recent years, the UK has overtaken Mexico for the first place spot, and France, Spain, and Germany have all surpassed Canada as top destinations. So, why are people moving abroad? According to Washington Post, one big reason for international moves is US citizens moving to be with family living in Mexico or other countries. Another factor they identified may also be deportation. Economic factors have an impact as well, like taxation, cost of living, and work opportunities. And let's be honest, some people just want a sense of adventure in a new country. And given the rise in remote work post-pandemic, the digital nomad movement is gaining in popularity. But to find out where people are moving within the US, check out our other video. Like and follow for more.